Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Thank you guys for coming back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in, and if you are new here, welcome to Mama Bui's Kitchen. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, like, comment and share my videos with your friends on social media. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your support. On today's video guys, we're gonna be making spicy cauliflower bites. So guys, let's get right into the video. To start, let's make lime sriracha sauce. Here I have ketchup, sriracha, honey and lime juice. Mix all the ingredients together, whisk well and set aside. Now let's move on to prep the cauliflower. First, we're gonna remove large leaves from the base of the cauliflower. Discard the leaves. Then with a paring knife, cut around the stem of the cauliflower. From there, use knife to cut through the stems of the cauliflower. This will create perfectly shaped florets. Once all that is done, set aside. Next, we are going to work on the egg whites. Whisk the egg whites together until foamy. This is the texture we are looking for, guys. Now we're gonna set that aside and work on our breading. In a small bowl, combine the panko breadcrumbs, black pepper, salt and melted butter. Mix well until all the breadcrumbs is moistened. Next, spray the cooking trays of the Dulux air fryer with a non-stick cooking spray. Now, working with one cauliflower floret at a time, coat one cauliflower floret in the egg whites, then coat in the panko mixture. Once it's all coated, place the coated florets in the cooking trays. Repeat the same process with the remaining florets. Now let's listen to the music while we are braiding the cauliflower florets. Now it's time to cook our florets. Now cook the florets, select roast and roast for 18 minutes. And for the smaller florets, we're gonna cook them for 12 minutes. I did 2 batches here, guys. After 18 minutes, this is how our cauliflower bites looks, guys. They look golden, amazing, guys. Serve on a platter. Now they are ready, guys, to be munched. Serve this easy appetizer with carrot sticks, celery and Sriracha Lime sauce. These are so perfect, guys, for entertaining, or you can just serve them as a side dish. If you are enjoying this video so far, guys, give it a like and leave a comment down below. We're gonna finish it off with Sriracha Lime sauce. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. I'll see you in the next one.